Good day guys, Bing here. Today we are going to model this structure. These. Okay, so and also just to let you know that because I'm not very good at structure, I'm more architecture drafting. So if anything's not right or you have a better solution, please let me know. Okay, so let's start. So first I'm going to just create a architecture. Yeah, maybe I should start with a structure template, but let's just use architectural. So we're going to manually load those structure elements. Okay, so first, so these are all structure columns, framing. Yeah, I think that's all. So I'm not sure about these, and I'm not sure about all these footings, how to model them, but we are going to just model those visible. Okay, so to model this one, so these, what are these? It looks like a maybe floor and a wall structure, but we're going to focus on this red color one, or this orange color. So first, to model structure, I think we should have some grid. Let me guess the width. Oops, not this one. So that's about 2 meter, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meter high. Maybe 7. Let's call it 7.5, 6. Width. Maybe let's make it 9, or maybe. Yeah, just roughly. So I'll copy this one down by 9 meter and just create another one. Maybe just rename it. Okay, so 6, right? 6. I'll just copy multiple, or maybe just do this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have that one as well. Okay, so first we need to load some structure columns and framing beam. Okay, so column, I'm going to load. Just go to your family. So if you're loading column, just make sure you go to structure column. Steel. I'm not sure what the difference between them, but I just noticed this one. There's some different size. I think so. We're going to use this one. Not sure the difference between them. Anyway, let's load some. Okay, so maybe I'll just load. So they are. I think they are quite big. Maybe load this one. 273. Load another one. Still this. So smaller. Load another one. 27219 16. Load another one. I think we need like 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 273 219 168. That's very similar. So let's maybe this one and load. And last one, maybe this one becomes smaller. So this one. Okay, so now we have 5 different sizes. So if you go column, so you should be able to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now what I'm going to do is I will hang on. Let me just check the elevation. So if you look at this one, so there's a elevation for the structure because we are only going to model the structure. So we'll just use these two levels, so use the ground floor and the level 1. So I'm not going to rename them, but just change the height a little bit so the scale looks right. Okay, so the shape of this one, maybe need to come down a little bit, maybe something like this. Okay, good. And okay, so now go back to ground floor, and we can then place columns. So column. So I'm going to just place all the column at once. Use add grids. So I'm going to place the biggest one, and select all these grids. Finish. Now let's go to 3D view. Okay, so here they are. So we just need to change the detail level to medium or fine, and you will see all these. And we're going to just change this one, so from ground floor to level 1. Okay, so 0 and then 0. So, and now we can start to let me just go. Okay, so this is front. So these these one actually they're not columns, but I'm going to just leave them there because it's easier. I'm not sure if it's a correct way when we place frames. I always have columns there, so it's easier to place beams on columns. Okay, so these two is correct. So these two, just leave them there. So these, we just need to change them to smaller size, smaller, and then smaller, and these two are the smallest. Oh hell, I think they are too skinny. Yeah, so maybe we need to increase the size a little bit. Yeah, so they are too skinny. This one, at least maybe this one. So we need to increase the size by 2. So previously we had 273. Maybe we need to have 323 and load another one. 355. Let's use a big one. Okay, so now we have all we need. So just leave them there. So maybe I'll just change them to a smaller one. So, and then these two become the biggest, and then smaller. Which one? This one. And finally this one. Okay, so now these are the columns, and then we need to place the beams. So it's the same. We can't use column for beams. We need to load the beam family. So once again, load the family. Make sure, so because this is a structure column folder, so we need to go to structure framing. Okay, so still Australian standard. I'm going to use this one. Again, I'm not sure what the difference they are. So we're going to use, I forgot which one is that one. Anyway, let's just load 5 different sizes. So from this one, 406, 355, 323, 273, and the last one will be 219. Okay, so now we have all, and we're going to do it this way. So go to floor plan. So we're going to use beam and use concrete. I'm going to place all these columns all together and go to 3D view. So you can see we have all, and we just need to look at this, just change the size. And here, so you can see this one, the big one, extend a little bit to here and then connect with this one, smaller one. I don't know how to do it. So let's just skip that. So okay, so we don't need this, but still this one need to go extend a little bit. Yeah, I think there's something we can type in. Maybe this one. Let's try. This one. Oh, actually, how about the other side? Why it's gray? No idea. Anyway, let me just Control Z. So let's just leave it. Now we can start to adjust the size. So do we need that one? No, we don't. Delete. Okay, so this one is 3 to 3. Let's just select these 3. Change the size to which one? This one. Yep, that's fine. So just to match the column. So this one will be 273, and this one 219, and this one's 168. So maybe let's just load 2168. Okay, and okay. So now we have all these beams in the column size, and then we need to just place another. So I'll see if I'm not sure if we can copy them. Let's try. CC, no, Shift. Does it work? Yeah, it looks like it works. So what I did is usually something like this, you won't be able to directly copy. Just press Shift and then you can. So it looks like they snapped onto the levels, so I think it's all good. Great. So now these are the columns and beams, and then all these bracing. So it looks like similar to the last one, or smaller than that one. So this is 168. We can just use a smaller one. So we can do, I think, bracing is similar to frame. So you can, let's just use the structure frame family. So I will use, I think we need to, so this is 168. We need a smaller one. So let's go load family again. So 168, maybe this one 139, and okay. So now here, so you can directly, if you check the 3D snapping, you can directly snap onto the frame and columns. So, and you can use SE to snap to the endpoint. Okay, so and also you can do this. So change the course, and now it's easier to snap. So let's just quickly do it. Just type SE to snap onto the endpoint of the framing. Oops, wrong one. Oops. Sorry, too fast. CS, create a similar SE, snap endpoint SE. SE. Okay, so if you change to median, so we'll see all, sorry, wrong size. Just change them to the smaller one. That's better. And what else? So these X, so I think they are bracing as well. But this one will be, instead of hollow section, circular hollow section, will be bars. Okay, I'm not sure which size, I'll just pick one. And once again, so I'll change it to coarse, so it's easier to pick. Okay, and then once again, I'm not sure if maybe there's a easier way to automatically place this, but I'm not very good at structure. So if you know how to place them more efficiently, please let me know. Okay, and that's it. So now let's change this to median, and then okay. So in reality, I think there should be some, not sure what they're called. It's just to tie them together. Don't know how to do it. So, but what we can do is we can try. So see all these connections. So these all these plates. So I think we can do it. We can go to structure. It's under here, so they are connections. But I'll just have a play. Okay, so first we need to set the connections. So click on this one little arrow. So to add all these connections in. So because I'm not sure which one to use, I'll just load all of them and then see what happens. So now, for example, if I want to add this little plate, I think, yeah, not very sure, but I think we select these three and let's try. So click on the connection. Okay, so now we have a connection there. Let me change it to fine. Doesn't work. Wireframe. Oh, still not showing. Maybe go to VV and go to structure connection. And okay, so maybe I'll just check all these. No, okay, so now it's visible. And then we can just load this one. Oh, sorry. We can just change this one to a different actual connection. So this is a symbol. Okay, so it's nothing. It's nothing visible. So not sure which one, but this one looks like it. Okay, so let's just use this one. Okay, so still we need to change to fine. Okay, so this is I think it's too small, but yes, but just give you an idea. So I think there might be some different ones. So maybe this one. No, not this one. Yeah, maybe what's this one? Wow, I think this one's better. Looks like it's bigger. Anyway, so this all these settings you can adjust. Not sure where. I think it's here. And modify parameters. Yeah, these are all the structure stuff which I'm not familiar with. So basically you can you can change the setting, you can change the size, change the location of all these bolts, and then maybe change the thickness, change the numbers. So it's all here, but it's all yours. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see if I can just create something. So, oh, what's this one? Let's try. Okay, so bigger images. But anything we can use? No idea. Anyway, so I'll just I'll leave it to you. So I think try this again and see if there's anything we can use. Still not sure. Anyway, I'll leave it to you. So this is, I think this is it, and yeah, not sure how to model this one. There must be something in the structure element, so you can probably create this one using the existing elements. So for we need this one. So CS, I'll use snap, not column, it's frame. CS SE, I'll use from this snap point to that, so to create this one, right? And then another horizontal, or maybe just CS, something like this. And yeah, I'm not sure about that one, not sure about this. So if you really need to model them, so, and you don't know how to use structural elements, you can always use model in place. Okay, so, and also all these footings, all these rebars must be somewhere in here. Okay, so, and that's all I know about this, and have a try. So I think you can, yeah, it looks like we have these handles. You can try to adjust these, and might be you might need to adjust the because current is we're using top, so maybe for them, so if we use center will be better, because if when we use center they match, right? So something like this, and you can probably select them and see if you can connect them somehow, and let me try to select it, so you can probably find something you can connect them. But once again, I don't know which one. What's this one? No, wrong. Anyway, so that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. And also, please, if you think you can help me with my structure skill, please let me know as well. Okay, so thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.